Today guys, we are going to cook pork and peppers and oyster sauce. So ayan po ang ating mga ingredients. That's all the ingredients we needed. So of course, magpainit po tayo ng mantika, oil, and put the garlic. And of course, the onion. Ayan, sunog na ang ating garlic. So ayan, saute, gisahin po natin, and add the pork. So ayan, let's mix it well. Of course, until gets brown. Same thing ng garlic and onion. So we need to wait until it gets brown. And actually, as you can see, is hindi lang siya nag-brown. Parang nasunog pa yata siya. So ayan. So let's mix. Gisahin na mabuti. And nag-add po ako ng another ingredients, which is the same garlic, onion, and bell pepper. Frozen nga lang siya guys. Ayan, pag mga tinatamad, ayan actually yung una dapat na igigisahin kung wala akong ibang ingredients. Mas mabilis po yun. Lalagay lang po yun galing ng freezer. So ayan, lagi pong may ganun kami. So ayan, gisa-gisa, and then add the oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Ayan, and mix it well again. Ayan. Mix it. And ayan guys, add na natin ng green peas. So, as you can see guys, nauna kong ilagay yung green peas kasi hindi pa po yan luto. Usually kasi yung nilalagay natin is yung already in the can na luto na. So, ayan po, hindi po. Galing po ng freezer. So, ayan. And then, add the 2 cups of water to cook the pork well. So, ayan. So, tatakpan po natin. And, of course, nilagyan po natin ng salt and pepper. And then, halu-haluin. Mix it well. And then, tatakpan ko po yan para po masimmer. Para mabawasan yung water while it's cooking. So, ayan. So, ayan. Medyo nag-simmer na siya. Konting water na lang. And then, add the bell pepper. So for me guys, I like the different kind of color. Ayan, may red, yellow, and orange, and green. Actually sweet bell pepper po yan guys. So kumakain yung mga anak ko ng ganyan pag sweet. Ayan, then add the lemon or calamansi. So pwede po lagyan lang natin ng 2 teaspoon. But sa akin ay 2 tablespoons. Kasi mas gusto ko medyo malalasang po yung lemon. So, hindi po yan kaldereta guys ha. Hindi rin yan minudo. So, yan po ay pork and peppers with oyster sauce. So, ayan na po ang ating finished product. So, ayan. Makulay ang buhay. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much for always support. And as you can see po, nagluluto din po ang mommy ng The Sassy Siblings. So, ayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking video today. And, of course, salamat always. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.